A for
apple,
B for
bull,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
frog,
G for
gorilla, goat,
gorilla, goat. H for
hen,
I for
eagle,
J for
gaia,
K for
kangaroo,
L for
ladybug,
M for
ladybug,
M for
monkey,
N for
noise,
O for
orange,
P for
pie,
Q for
green,
R for R for
rose,
S for
snake,
snake. T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella.